This is the exact automation that we use to go through and automate all of our content creation on the website, as well as pushing things out into social media for ourselves and many other brands. So what is this example? In here we have AI where we create a unique prompt dedicated to our brand, our customers' problems, how do we solve them, and key topics that we curate solutions around. Then we also use AI to then look at all of that information and then do a natural search on a topic relevant to that. Then it pulls all of the best competition and best pieces of content that are already out there and uses those as the foundation for the content that we're going to go through and create. So it's not just pulling out random content and assuming that it's good. It's actually looking at the best content that's already out there and helping you sort of have your own unique version that's sitting out there beside them. From there, it creates a bunch of unique iterations to help break down this content better. All of these little elements and steps here are really meant to help ensure that the AI is actually doing one specific task at a time and dramatically improving the uniqueness and the quality of the output. If we just dumped all of these steps into just a single thing of saying, take this topic and write a piece of content on it, it would do okay, probably like a 3 out of 10. But by simply using the steps that we have outlined here, we could really make it go to a 7 or an 8 really consistently, which means we're going to be above and beyond the vast majority of content that's being published out there. That's even by existing writers. So as we go through here, we have the automation going through and iterating on the unique topics that we've shared, as in the format of that content. And here's an example, right? It goes through, it curates a draft, right? A draft of the entire piece of content. And then it also then uses those iterations to curate a final version of all of that. And as you see here, this isn't formatted in a way that you and I would read this. It's just formatted so that when it goes to upload, it actually uploads as good as possible to your website platform. So if you're using WordPress or Shopify or whatever other ecosystem, doesn't really matter. So now we're here. It then goes through and publishes it to WordPress in this instance. And here's an example of that final piece of content. All in all, this entire automation's ran. It cost me, I think, like 35 cents. Takes it about a minute and a half maybe to do, and it's able to basically run content curation on autopilot and just dramatically streamline the processes of getting quality information out there, building the foundations of your branding and your communication, just like assistive pillar to everything that you should be doing when it comes to trying to grow and optimize your business. If you want to learn how to do this exact thing, or just if you want, I could just show you a video on exactly how to build it. Let me know, drop it down below, and I'll see you in the next video.